Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and today what we're going to discuss is how to become a pro and get confident in rent-to-rent with zero experience. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Okay guys, so today what we're going to discuss a little backstory about how I even got into Rent2Rent and also how I even became confident in this game. And so with me personally, how I got confident in Rent2Rent is I was networking with people. I self-taught myself. I did a lot of research about property, how to even get these landlords, and do you know what? I just done it. And a lot of people have this thing where they don't just do it, they procrastinate, or they think, oh my gosh, why would the landlords allow me to do X, Y, Z? I have no experience, I don't have a degree. You don't need to have a degree first of all to get into Rent2Rent. It's just about yourself. You're selling yourself. You're showing them I can do it and I'm good at what I do. End of. Like, don't get no degrees involved in this or your GCSEs or all of that. You don't need to get that involved in this. This is literally about you and your confidence and you being organized, knowing how to manage a rent-to-rent property. So what I did was I started to speak to landlords. I just got myself out there speaking to them, getting the yeses, getting the no's. And you know what? Don't let the no's knock you down as well. Because a lot of people do this thing where they just expect a landlord to say yes. But no, not every landlord is going to say yes. And this is why you need to come at them the right way. And how I became confident in what I was doing is I was networking with people. I was getting so much opportunities on my hand because I show people this is what I'm looking for. They either give it to me or I'll just speak to a landlord, call them up, which I show you, by the way, in my mastermind. So the link's going to be below. If you want to get into my mastermind, just click the link below, sign up, it's $97.99. And it's a 4-week mastermind where I show you everything in detail, every single thing you'll need, okay? So then, of course, after that, I became confident in everything. I thought, wow, like I can actually do this without even, having to show my experience, literally. And you don't tell them, oh, it's my first rent-to-rent. Like, no, you don't do that. I don't know why people even have in their head to think to say something like that. Like, why would you give your property to someone and you're saying, oh, it's my first rent-to-rent? No, but you're confident in what you do. You know what you're doing. And I give you that confidence in my mastermind because every little thing that you need, step by step, from the contract to the negotiating to the script, how to come at the landlord, what to say to the landlord, it's literally gonna be all there. And this is why I'm so excited to show you guys all of this, because it's all about you believing in yourself and not letting nobody tell you that you can't do it. There's so many landlords right now, this generation, they don't want to be landlords. They just want to be happy that you're going to give them the money, guaranteed rent, coming in every single month, and their hands off. And that is the game. And the beauty about Rent2Rent is you don't need to put a huge down payment on as well. The beauty about not putting a huge down payment on is you're going to get consistent cash flow of at least £400 a month plus. And that is what I show you as well. I never go for deals anything less than 400 plus, because if it's less, I feel like it's a waste of time for me. Because I do this thing where I calculate how much I want to make this month and how much rent-to-rent properties do I have to get in order to get that, to achieve it. You just write down your targets so then you know what profit you need to be on to achieve that target, rather than doing a whole bunch of rent-to-rents and you're getting like 100 in profit. Like, what is the point? Like, come on, Alright, so guys, what I will also say in this rent-to-rent game is that you need to learn the little lingos that they use. Literally, when you learn the little lingos, you will be confident in hearing it and saying, I know what you mean. So for example, SA means service accommodation. In the property world, a lot of people use that now. So a landlord could be like, are you trying to do SA on my property? No, the answer is no, you're not trying to do that. What you're trying to do is get long-term professional workers in their property. And what I say in my other videos is that so many people love the fact that they are professional workers in their property, just because they feel like that guaranteed rent is going to be coming, they know who you're targeting and so on. And so always use that language with them, and it's literally a tick. And I will also say that just believe in yourself. don't feel like you honestly have to get GCSEs or a university degree to do rent to rent, because honestly you don't. You just do you. You learn from me, for example. If you want to learn from me, as I say, go onto my Instagram, it's Oniru. The link's in my bio, or even DM me. Tell me you want to get into the game and I can show you how to do it. But my mastermind is only $97.99 and I show you every single thing you need, once again, in detail. So you're protected, because a lot of people get scared in rent to rent, where they feel like, oh my gosh, I might need to get into a contract. And you know, what if I don't get tenants? And this is why I show you how to know that the area is a perfect area for you to even do rent to rent. And also you seeing the demand, you seeing the rent that goes around within that area per room. And also you being confident that, okay, this is the price I've done and I know I'm gonna get tenants for this. Like, I show you this literally in my mastermind, and that's why it's a 4-week mastermind, just because I want to like go with you guys step by step, while we're just doing a whole 1-day thing and letting you go. Like, no, I even have a private group chat for you guys to stay connected with me, network with everyone, so you're not alone. Okay. So guys, once again, this was just a short quick video showing you how to be confident in rent to rent with 0 experience and literally getting started. Like, what are you waiting for? If you're on my channel right now and you're watching this, I know you want to make extra cash flow, right? Because look at me, I know you do. So come on, let's go. Don't be procrastinating. You can do anything you put your mind to. Don't say that this isn't you, because this is you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you leave your comments below. Tell me what you love, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you get alerts every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. All right, guys, thank you so much and goodbye.